If one day before life, you feel small, stop to see how wide the sky is, where your feet can go and where you should stop on this long arduous journey to find some peace for yourself. If one day you feel alone, wait patiently and turn your own loneliness into strength to become stronger. Don't hold on to the hand of someone who offers you, because if that hand is not strong enough, you may drag that person into the same unhappiness as yourself. If one day you find your path is divided into many directions, become and wise to choose the right path for yourself. Always remember, the happiest path is the one you choose. If one day, in front of that person, you find yourself inferior, put your hand on your heart to see how big it is. In love, there is no room for comparison, calculation, no gap between the rich and the poor, and no disparity in status and fame. Only lowly loves are not worthy of noble people. If one day someone leaves you, be sad, but don't be in a hurry to lose faith in this beautiful life. They go, meaning they lose you, not you lose your love. If one day you feel helpless before the pain of your loved ones, do not rush to consider yourself useless. Do not torment yourself because you can only stand and watch them suffer. Human happiness is sometimes just having someone beside to share joys and sorrows. What they need is simply someone who cares and worries with a warm and sincere heart. If one day you find yourself weak, people have many definitions of weakness. Weakness is when you don't dare to do what your heart tells you. Weakness is when you believe something is true, but dare not admit it. Weakness is when you want to do something but can't overcome your own temporary desires. Weakness is when you feel you are not strong enough to be able to do anything. It may be a physical weakness, it may also be a weakness in the soul. Above all else, you must know who you are, always believe in yourself, and never give up. Physical weakness can still be practiced every day to become stronger, but a bad spirit will forever be a defect of the soul. If one day you feel tired before the storms of life, just believe that when you step through those storms, your legs will gradually become stronger, your mind will become flexible, and your spirit will become stronger. For another day, you will have enough confidence to face all the difficulties in life, enough bitterness to recognize and appreciate the happiness you hold, and enough experience to get up after each fall. That's life. If you're tired, take a break, but always be ready for new waves. The storm has passed, the sky will be bright again, but doesn't mean it will stay blue forever. Thank life for that, simply because. Would you be happy if life was a series of peaceful days without storms? If one day you want to give up, take a look back and see how far you've come. Consider the things you have had to be exchanged with your own sweat, tears, or the sacrifices of others. Should you respond to the love and expectations of your loved ones with the pain and loss you have caused them? Try to look at the unfortunate people, the homeless children, the lonely old people, the disabled, all those who have been dreaming of a perfect body and a home like other ordinary people. Finally, think carefully to know, what do you live for?
Subscribe to continue listening to my English radio, where I will share interesting things from life. I love you. I'm Honey.